Yoga Vasishtha, Nirvana Prakarana Purvardha, Section 57, the vision that ends all vasanas. Vasanas are your subtle desires. Always remember the three stages, Mala, Vikshepa and Avarana. Mala relates to gross impurities. Impurity is that you see but don't care. And talk about impurities of others, and it becomes a source of constant news breaking. And that impurity, Mala, goes on playing its role in the world, gives delicacy in human affairs. Otherwise, there is nothing to say. Nobody fights. Nobody creates havoc. All the news media will become calm. So, Mala. Vikshepa is your focus of your sadhana. Vikshepa holds, Vikshepa means vasanas, subtle impressions, subtle desires that operate through your subconscious, and call it unconscious. All the troubles that people face in day-to-day life, the source lies in the subconscious. Therefore, cure is not simple cure. You have to have a repeated effort and a subtle effort to bring about purification of the vasanas. And when we talk about impure vasana and pure vasana, impure vasana is called klishta vasanas. Klishta, you turn to your ishta in order to be free of klishta. Ishta is your deity that you have chosen to meditate on or be a devotee of. Klishta implies 5 kleshas: ignorance, egoism, attachment, hatred, fear of death. These are symptoms of mortality. And these symptoms have to be overcome in order to be healthy. True swastha is to be rooted in the awareness, I am Brahman. Then you are really healthy. Otherwise, you are caught by mortality virus. And mortality virus has these 5 whiskers. Ignorance, egoism, attachment, hatred. In practical world, all these 5 are blended in your practical reality. But your solution is not to change the practical world. Practical world will change as your attitudes change. But your focus is on how to bring change in your vasanas, how to free your vasanas of the impact of ignorance. You are constantly emphasizing. When there is a need to understand, Satsanga invites you. You say, oh no, it's a wonderful tea has come. or a very pleasant drink, and a good party has come. So next day, but not. I'm joking. So when you have that type of attitude, you are encouraging being ignorant. You are emphasizing ignorance in an unwitting way.